So this is the disc sander. It looks like a Frisbee, right? Like a disc. So that's one way to remember it. This one is a combination. It's got a disc sander and it has an oscillating spindle sander up here. But what this is used for is if you had a cut that was this way, and we cut that out, and we needed to sand inside that, an inside radius, then we could sand it up here. We're gonna be sanding, of course, the outside of this one, so we're gonna use the disc sander to do this outside radius. We have other sanders in the room, random orbit sanders, where if you were using them and you touch them with your hand, no big deal. Nothing's gonna happen. The disc sander is different than that. It's an aggressive sander. Right now, the sandpaper on this needs to be replaced. It sands pretty slowly, but you never wanna come over here while it's spinning and touch your fingers to this. It'll sand the tip of your fingers off pretty quick. You do wanna be careful with the disc sander. It's not just a sander. It's pretty aggressive. Now look, see the arrows? This disc is going to be spinning that direction. So that means you want to use from the middle of the disc over to here. If you use the right-hand side, what's going to happen is it's going to want to lift your piece up. It's also going to blow all the sawdust in your face. If you use this side, it's going to hold the board down, and the sawdust is going to go down. And this is connected to our dust collection system. Let me demonstrate. I got my safety glasses on. When you use this, you never want to have it up in the air. You want to have it tight to the table. We want a 90-degree angle when we're done. So we put it tight to the table, and now we just, when this sandpaper gets clogged up, we have this. This is a gum eraser. If you look here, you can see it. It's cleaning some of that dust that was stuck in the grit, cleaning it out. Oh, a little bit more. You can see it no longer has saw marks, right? Feel it. What do you feel? It's hot, right? All that friction. Also, I want you to notice that the line is still there. So when you cut it on the bandsaw, you leave the line. And then when you sand it to the line, not over the line. All right, we're gonna move over to the scroll saw.